Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this no makeup tutorial. I can do this in like 10 or 15 minutes. This is what I do whenever I'm just running out of the house and I don't really have time to do anything. So if you would like to see how to get that, then please keep watching. So to begin, I don't like to prime my face on days whenever I'm just kind of like running out of time, because realistically no one's going to prime their face if they're running late. So I just go in with this Sonia Kashuk Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Mine is in the shade Beige. And I literally just get this on my hands like a moisturizer. And I will just put this all over the face. I'm putting this on my eyelids just like a teeny bit because I have really red and discolored eyelids. So I'm just putting this all over the face. Once I get that worked in, I'm just going to go over with my beauty blender and just like tap everything into the skin. Now as you can see, I have like a little bit of coverage, but it is nothing major. You can still see all the imperfections in my skin and all of that. Okay, just to prevent any creasing, I'm going to take a teensy little bit of powder and put it right underneath the eyes, but nowhere else. And this step is totally unnecessary if you don't crease underneath your eyes, but I'm a creasy mess, so I gotta set a little bit. As you can see, my skin is like super glowy and pretty. And now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this LAQU & Co. Blush and Highlighter in the shade Peacher's Daughter. And I am just going to begin putting this right... I'm going to begin putting this on the backs of the cheeks and then working my way in. Just to give myself like a nice little flush of color. And this is super duper glowy too, so you can even take it up on top of the cheekbones to add as like a little bit of a highlighter. Once I'm satisfied with the amount I have down, I'll just go in with my beauty blender and just go right over, just to make sure there's no harsh lines or anything. Now that we have that on, I'm going to go in with a liquid highlighter. I'm taking the NYX Away We Glow highlight. And I'm blending this out as I go because this dries really fast. And I'm literally taking this highlight and I'm going all over the face, like on all the high points. And I'm not going to do any like cream contouring or anything, just because, once again, that's unrealistic for every day. But I am going to go in with this little Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm just going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to mix it with all of the highlighters. Like, I'm just going, tapping into this and then going like this. And I'm just going to put that right on the cheeks, just to add a little bit more of color. And this might sound crazy, but I'm adding a little bit just to my nose, just to give that like natural sunburnt, sun-kissed look. Now the last thing I'm going to do for the face is I'm just going to take a teensy little bit of this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. This is the gold one. And I'm literally taking the tiniest little bit. And I'm just really lightly putting that on all the places where we put that liquid highlight, just to add a little bit more glowiness to the skin, like we need that. As you can see, I'm not like trying to pile it on like I normally do. I am just doing this super, super lightly. So now that all of that's done, I'm going to go in and do my brows real quick. So to do my brows today, I'm just going in with this little NYX eyebrow cake powder in the shade Taupe. And I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. And I'm taking this, like, the warmer shade, not the cooler tone shade. And I am literally just doing little hair-like strokes through my brow, just to make it look a little bit fuller. And I'm not being like too precise with this. Once again, precise brows for every day is just like not realistic because not everybody has time for that. So I'm just going through and doing little hair-like strokes. Then I'll go through and do the other eye. As you can see, my brows are not perfect or anything, but they have just like a little bit more shape to them. And now I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Clear Lash and Brow Mascara, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up as usual. So I'm just going to take this Naked Illuminated powder in the shade Lit. It's just looks like this from Urban Decay. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just like put it in the crease of the eye just to create a teensy little bit of depth. And this is shimmery and glowy, so it's going to fit in with the rest of the face. As you can see, I'm not applying much, just enough to add a little something something. And now I'm just going to go in and add some mascara. Once again, I'm not doing much. Just enough to make my eyelashes look less blonde. And I am doing my top and bottom lashes. A lot of people just do their top lashes for every day, but I can't do that. I gotta do both. Then this last step is like really optional, but I like to do this just to make my makeup look a little more natural. I'll just take an eyebrow pencil. This is the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Brunette, and I am just gonna create a few little freckles just to make this look a little bit more natural. And all I'm doing is I'm just putting the pencil down on the face and twisting. And in some places I'll press down a little bit harder, some places a little bit softer, just to create a different variance of freckles so they look more natural. Like I said, this is totally optional. This is just what I like to do. And once I get that down, I'll just go back in with that same powder brush we applied that blush with. And I will just go right over top with no additional product, just with this brush. Okay, sorry, we're not done yet. I am just going to throw on a little bit of lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. I'll either throw on a little gloss like this, or I'll throw on some chapstick like Vaseline or something. Just anything that gives your lips that like glowy little pout. So this is my finished makeup, everyone. I really, really love this makeup. It's super easy to achieve and it looks so beautiful on the skin. It's super easy to achieve and it looks so beautiful on the skin. It just looks glowy and healthy and natural and perfect for summer and springtime because it's getting hot and not everybody wants to wear a lot of makeup at this point in time. I know I don't. So this is just a nice alternative if you want to look put together and you don't have time or you just don't feel like doing your makeup. So if you guys liked this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a nice comment and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks everyone. Bye.